Okay, hi YouTube. It's been a while since I didn't put any video. Reason why, here in Montreal we're in winter times right now, so it's pretty cool out there. So I'm not flying really much these days. We're more working inside. So this is my final project. I finally decided to go and move on and to build my own CNC machine. So that'll be one of the new tools in the shop. So now I'll be able to cut. A lot of guys in my clubs and a lot of guys over the internet were asking for cutting parts. So now the machine is ready and I'm getting ready for cutting the parts. So you got an overview of all the machines. I'm using my whole computers as a hobby CNC board. I'd already updated the videos on the internet. You guys can go see the build. And I hook it up to computers. I'm using old stepper motors, some photocopiers machines. So this is a 40 by 20 and that's the final project. I'm just going to show you how this thing works when it's in action.